In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and gift games on Steam. Let's say I want to gift this game right here, Sid Meier's Civilization 7. So I just go ahead and click on this game, and once this loads up, I just scroll down here and click on Add to Cart. Okay, now it has been added to my cart. I want to click on this drop down, and you want to choose this as a gift. And then you can go ahead and either continue shopping, add more games, right, to gift, or you can just click on View My Cart. There you go. This is my shopping cart. I'll go ahead and remove this one. So I want to gift this one, right? So I click on Continue to Gift Options right here. And then what will happen is we'll basically proceed to the payment section after we select a gift recipient. So come here and select a gift recipient. For example, let's do Straw Hat. Right here, you can add a gift message if you want. And then we will either deliver as soon as possible via email and Steam client. So we get a notification both on email and the Steam client notification. Or you can schedule a delivery. Maybe if it is a gift for like a birthday or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. And then you want to go ahead and click on Continue to Payment. Okay, once you're done with all that. Now here you just choose your payment method. They have a bunch. They have PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and our JCB. So you just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code. This is a security code. You'll find this at the back of the card. And your billing information must match with the information that your card is registered with. Okay? Otherwise, the transaction will not go through. And they can either save this payment information for checkout next time, or otherwise you can just toggle this one off and then just click on continue, and the order will be placed and it will be processed, and they will receive an email as well as a notification on their Steam. It's really that easy and simple.